In the heart of the Philippines, where the sun kisses the islands and culture dances in every street, we introduce Filipino Brands Clothing Company. Born from the spirit of the country, we bring you not just clothing, but a celebration of Filipino culture and love. Our journey begins with the blend of peace and happiness. Introducing our established collection, our flagship products. These aren't just shirts, they're canvases that carry the stories of our heritage. Each design is a brushstroke, painting a vivid message of Filipino pride. From the bustling streets of Manila to the sandy shores of every island. Our established collection is more than fashion. It's an expression of your Filipino identity wherever you go. Next up is our Citizen collection. It just speaks urban sophistication. Crafted with beauty, our t-shirts are a blend of style and sophistication, perfect for every citizen of the Philippines and any city around the world. Step into the limelight wherever your adventures take you. Citizen is more than apparel. It's a statement of modern elegance. And now our View from Outer Space collection. Transcend the boundaries of life and culture with fabulous lightweight and sun-protective jackets that speak volume in designer clothing. Last but not least, we have our women's collection that features different styles of handbags that you can rely on for your everyday busy life. Our women's collections feature our established collection and Citizen collection designs that highlight the beauty and culture of the country of the Philippines. Shop our collections now and wear fashion that meets heritage, with every piece tells a different story and message that you can feel proud of. Join us in representing the Philippines in good, cheerful fashion. Elevate your style, embrace the Filipino identity, and celebrate life with us. Go to our website for a 15% off discount. Like and share this message to help spread good cheer and the power of love around the world. Shop now at philippinesbrands.com and get 15% off and an additional 50% off any extra items when you order 2 or more items from the same collection.